In this video, we'll show you how to connect custom domain to your card website. First of all, open the card dashboard, find your website, and go to your site settings. Right here, you need to click Site, and then you need to scroll down. Right here, you need to click Publish to a custom domain, but keep in mind that you need to have the Pro plan on card. You can also use 7-day free trial. At the moment, I am using this free trial, or just upgrade your account to Pro. After that, you need to enter your domain right here. In this example, I will show you how to connect GoDaddy's domain, but the process is very similar on other hosts. So if you're using Hostinger, Namecheap, or any other providers, you need to do the same thing. So first of all, I will copy my domain name. Let's go to the GoDaddy's dashboard. Let's go to the domains. I will find my domain, which is right here. Let's copy the domain and paste it right here. After that, we need to add these two records into our domain DNS. We need to add a record and CNAME record. So first of all, let's begin with the a record. We need to write @ in the host, and we need to copy this IP for the target. So let's go back to the GoDaddy. Let's click on DNS, then scroll down and click on add new record. And the type, we need to choose a record. Let's put @ in the name because we have got host @. Let's paste this target to the value and then click save. So we successfully added the a record. Now we need to add the CNAME record. So we need to enter www in the host and our website in the target. So let's click add new record. Let's choose CNAME. Let's enter www in the name, and let's enter our website in the value, then click save. And that's all. Now click save changes. And that's all, guys. Now we need to wait from few minutes to 48 hours and our domain will be connected to the card website. In most cases, this will take few minutes, but maximum time is 48 hours. Let's find it out. As you can see, we already connected our domain to card website. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.